some people who did get out and were walking today. You'd be surprised at how many people were actually enjoying themselves.
Because it's a nice weather. Yes, you can ski, you can go out, you can take your kids outside, right? And this is perfect.
What's it like walking out here?
It's like inside of refrigerator.
I was just walking around here and it's okay, it's not so bad.
It's a pretty big snowstorm here. It doesn't bother you at all?
Nah, honestly not. I'm happy to walk in the snow.
Why is that?
Oh, it's so fun, it's like a childhood.
So you can see the area behind where the snow is falling. Just off in the distance, there is a plow trying to clear as much of the sidewalk as possible. Now, you can't even tell where the skating rink starts and the sidewalk begins because the snow is piled up so high. As we've been told from Environment Canada, it could be as high as 60 centimeters in the southwestern portion of the GTA, that being south of Etobicoke and Mississauga. It will keep snowing well into the evening. We'll find out just how bad it will be, and then we got to wake up and see what we're dealing with tomorrow morning.
Toronto.
Andrew Rahim, I'll send it back to you.
40 to 60 centimeters of snow. It's white, it's outside, it's thick with snow. And you're encouraged to stay in. Too many accidents.
Andrea, this system is not finished just yet. In fact, it's not just the snowy system that's been bringing us all the snow
Toronto.
throughout the day today, but something that's a
All
little
white
special,
snow,
if you will,
not
about
all
this
white
particular
parties.
storm is that
All
we've also got
white
a fair
snow.
amount of lake
Thick.
enhancement happening. So a snow
Big storm here, man.
moving off of Lake Ontario. This storm really impacting Lakeshore
I think I gotta
communities
show
from
you
Burlington
the front
through to the
and the
east
back
end of Durham
of my
region.
yard
It's been
before.
particularly bad here and especially impacting downtown Toronto. So here's the
In the
sample
dark.
radar. See the darker
No,
blue
it's
right
only
over the city of Toronto? That is the lake enhancement that I'm referring to. We'll zoom in just a little bit closer so you can see that parts of Etobicoke,
Winter Wonderland, the dark.
especially, really
Lots of snow in the yard.
this particular storm.
It's only
Snow continuing to pile
not 6 o'clock yet. It is dark outside. Snow, snow, and snow. You've got about 10, 12 inches, maybe 2 feet of snow in the backyard.
20 to 40 centimeters of snow. Not only
2 feet of snow in the backyard. And then I will take you down to the front. It's nice inside here, but the outside, the weather outside is frightening. Take it to the living room, and that is the outside, front yard. Snow and snow all around. Snow day. Snow.